Okay, so there's the pillow on my neck. I'm probably medium neck. Nice hat. Okay, if this was tighter, then it would work. It would hold. When I fall asleep, I get the kink in the neck. If it was tighter, if I could tighten it, I don't know. Tie it with a string, twist it, something. But otherwise, look at this. I'm not really, it doesn't, and see, it's under the chin. I don't know. No, I can feel the kink. When I'm flying, I'm scared to death of, see, look, it's not much, it's not stopping anything. When I fall asleep, I get a kink, and I'm taking pills to sleep, so if it was really tight, but otherwise, sorry. Cheap, good to try. I bought 3 other ones. Hey, have a great day.
This neck pillow is super soft. You see the bounce? It's like firm enough but super soft, and the cover is really soft as well. And it has this clip and the strap for your luggage, so you can strap it on without having to hold it. It's really nice. It is already broken, and it's black, like broke, and it's this weird stain on it. Like, I really want my money back, and I didn't even have it that long. It's already got a tear. Ridiculous.